Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a unbagging for you, and this comes from Paintsomeway. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and just apologizing for the fur babies in the background. They are running around. They just had a bath, so they're acting a little crazy right this second. So, alright, so what is in this bag? Well, I was asked if I wanted to do another unbagging and show y'all some more stuff, and I said, of course. I do like this company. It is a low budget company, and I think they really have some really awesome images, awesome deals. I do like their prices, and like I said, they have some really cute stuff. Now, they don't just have diamond paintings, they also have oil paintings, they have cross stitch, so it's not just diamond painting. But I got this one. Actually, this is not the one I ordered. I ordered a snowman, but I guess they sent me the angel. But that's okay. She is pretty. Let me bring it down. Now, this is a partial. So, therefore, it's not sticky in this background. It's only sticky where we put the drills. And as you can see, it sort of looks like a snow globe. I think that's actually what it's supposed to be, is like a picture of a snow globe with an angel sitting on the top. And you've got your little Christmas village down here at the bottom, and your winter scene on the inside. Now, it looks like the only thing that we're going to be drilling is just this area, the outline of the dress on the angel, and then her stars and wings and crown and hair. So let's look at the drills. Now, this is called a partial special shape 30 by 30. It is $4.99, and there are 12 different images to choose from. And like I said, I actually ordered the snowman, and I guess I might have put the wrong number down, but I did order the snowman, but this is pretty too. So we have got some clear rhinestones, we've got gold, we've got yellow, and we've got like a light brown, and then we've got some, I don't know if that's red or mahogany, maybe it's a red. And then we have got some iridescent and then gold stars. Very pretty. This is going to be really pretty when it's finished. And there's seven different colors in this. It does have a schematic up on the top left and on the bottom right, and it does have a code with it. And it tells you it is a 30 by 30. So what do y'all think about this one? I think it's pretty. Oh, and it also comes with just your standard toolkit. I do think it's pretty. And I think it will be very sparkly and very pretty once it is completed. And like I said, it is $4.99 on Paintsomeway's website. So let me just set this over here out of the way and see what's next. And I do want to say thank you to Paintsomeway for allowing me to share more of their products with y'all. It is very generous of them to let all the creators that do this, because honestly it doesn't cost us anything. We make out, they give us a price range to work with. We give them what we want. They send it, so it doesn't cost us anything. And, you know, I really am appreciative of them doing this for us. So, the next thing that I have, it comes with a regular toolkit, but this one does have a few little baggies. Alright, and it is some keychains. And I thought these were so cute. I've seen some, but I don't think I've seen these. So when I seen them on Paintsomeway, I grabbed them. So it comes with everything that you need. It comes with your, what do y'all call these, lobster clips? So it comes with your clips, and it comes with the chain for the keychains. So these are dogs, and they are double-sided. So we have a pug. Of course, we have the Boston Terrier. Let me move that. We have a Frenchie. Or, well, this is a Boston Terrier, too. I take that back. Okay. And then we have another pug. And then here's the Frenchie. But you get 5 dog keychains, double-sided keychains, with everything that you need to go with it. And there are 13 different types of keychains that you can choose from. And these were $6.99 for 5. And those are pretty big. I mean, that's a pretty big keychain. Alright, so it comes with 15 different colors. So we have like a muted gray. We have a clear gold. Ooh, look at that one. We have an iridescent black pearl. We have some pink, black. Looks like some clear, but not clear. I don't know. Maybe like a smoky gray. And then we have, I don't know if that's clear either. And then we have yellow, brown, a gold, pink, red. That one's clear. And then we have like an AB. But it's the black, or it might be a dark brown. So, very pretty. And what you do with these, because there's no chart, is all of the bags are labeled 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you would go and you would get all the ones on all of them would be the same thing. So all the ones on here are these, all the ones on here are these, so on and so forth. So that's how you do these with no chart. But these are going to look really cute when they're finished. Okay, so I'm going to move those up there. And like I said, these were $6.99 for 5 dog keychains. Alright, so the last thing that I got were some more keychains. I've gotten to where I love the keychains. Alright, so comes with your standard regular toolkit. This one just has a few little bags with it. It has the crystals. it comes with, well, let me get, it comes with all the same thing with your clips and your chains, just like those do. I'm not going to take those out. But y'all, this is what I got. Bam! I got the Gorjuss girls. There's 5 of them. And oh my God, they're just absolutely beautiful. Alright, so these were $5.99 for 5 of the Gorjuss girls. And they are double-sided, as you can see. Super, super, super cute. Aren't they darling? And these are pretty good size too. But this is the first time I've ever seen these. And y'all know I look for the Gorjuss girl stuff. But this is the first time I have seen the Gorjuss girl keychains. And it was on Paintsomeway. Look at her. She's dressed up like a bumblebee. Isn't she cute? And you just pull the plastic back from these. And it's on there pretty good. But you just pull the plastic back and you drill it. Oh well. Alright, so let's look at these crystals. Alright, so also with Paintsomeway, right now they are doing free shipping for any orders over $49. Alright, so there are 12 colors in this. So we have clear, red, pink, very light yellow-green. We have gold. We have like a aqua. We have blue. We have like a brown. And like, well, these two are pretty similar, but this one's just a little bit darker than this one. And then we have pink. And then we have another aqua. And then we have black. Very pretty. So again, the Gorjuss girls 5-piece crystal keychains were $5.99. Now these are called dolls. Oh, and look, I didn't even see that. That just fell right out there. So there's 13 colors because we have some little yellow pearls. Very, very cute. So yeah, y'all, I was like shocked when I seen these. I was like, yes, please. So I snatched them up. So what do y'all think about these? $5.99 for 5 of the Gorjuss girl keychains. And then we have 5 dog keychains for $6.99. And then we have, I'm going to bring y'all up, we have the 30 by 30 Angel Snow Globe canvas, and it was $4.99. So I am very impressed. Like I said, I really like Paintsomeway. I have not had any issues with them. They always have good drills. The stick on everything is always really nice. And yeah, I mean, I really like this company. So anyway, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks again to Paintsomeway for sending me these to show to all of y'all. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and also leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.